Hey Shopify users, want to boost your sales? Let's talk about adding customer reviews to your store. It's super easy, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First up, choosing a review app. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for product reviews. You'll find plenty of great options like Judge.me and Farah product reviews. Look at their features. Consider things like review collection, customization, and integration options. Once you've picked an app, click Add App and follow the installation instructions. Next, access the app's dashboard from your Shopify admin under Apps. Configure your settings, like how your review widget looks, and setting up review request campaigns. Now let's add those review widgets to your theme. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Click Add section and pick the one that fits your needs, like a product page section. Find the review widget under Apps in the theme editor and add it to your chosen location. Customize its appearance and functionality right there. Optional but highly recommended, requesting reviews. Most review apps can automatically ask customers for reviews after they buy something. Set up campaigns in the app with specific timing, incentives, and personalized messages. And finally, manage and respond to your reviews. Head to the app's dashboard to keep track of feedback and reply to your customers. Engage with them, build trust, and watch your sales grow. Here's a quick example using Judge.me. Install Judge.me from the Shopify App Store. Configure your settings in the Judge.me dashboard. Add the Judge.me widget in the theme editor under Apps. Customize its look and features. And there you have it. Adding reviews to your Shopify store can be a game changer.